What's up guys, it's John, and today we're back in my garage bringing over the CE28's off to get repowder coated. Now, I love the CE28's a lot more than the TE37s, to be completely honest with you. I know the TE is a timeless wheel, but to me the S2000 and CEs are just even better. So now my set of CEs have been tracked abused. They have nicks, they have scratches, they have a deep groove inside where somebody had a BBK and it didn't fit properly. So I think at this point, it's time to show these CEs some more love, get them refinished, repowder coated, ceramic coated, and take them out to the track. So now let's go take this set, bring it over to Fap Auto to get refinished, and we got my CRV over here ready to take the load. Let's do it.
What's up guys, Amyn from Fap Auto. This is our shop. We're here in Fairview, New Jersey. We're lucky to have John here doing his wheels for powder coating. We do some performance stuff. We do mounting, balancing, wheel fitment. We like to do track setup, suspensions, powder coating. We've been in business for about 10 years, a little over 10 years actually now. And that's really it. That's the gist of us.
Nice, man. And he's been helping me out a lot with my car as well. And you know, like he was saying before, we're going to be powder coating these wheels. I'm excited. We are kind of restoring them. We're powder coating, refinishing them, and also putting back new stickers that I got from the Philippines. And I mean, you told me something that I didn't know about before with the stickers. So
a couple little details I like to always check before I touch any wheel. I'll take a picture of it if I don't think I'm gonna remember of where the stickers go originally. It's easy to take this sticker and put it over here and look okay, but to the authentic guys, if it's not here, it's not right. It's not right, it's not good. Yeah. So good to sneak in, keeping everything as nice as possible. Another thing, I believe you got your stickers from MMR. He's great, I love him, I use him as well. But these gray stickers also go in a specific pattern, and this is typical for all wheels. If there are no stickers and you're restoring it, check online. Online's always a good source. These stickers start at the valve stem. And that's really it.
Nice. I probably would have kept it all in some random spots and just put it inside the inner barrel and call it a day. But you know, you bring a good point. You know, I knew about this sticker over here. I took a picture of this as well as the one with the CE28's.
Yep, right here.
But I didn't know about the inner barrel having a specific order.
Yeah,
so.
they all stickers, all wheel manufacturers try to keep something in a specific pattern, so they're all the same. It goes the same for like multi-piece wheels, where I've seen some companies just put the valve stem in random places instead of like in a nice middle spot for the to match the pattern of the wheels. But yeah, if I don't know, I always check online, check, you know, Vivid and Evasive and this and that, wherever I could find some nice photos and make sure it's as OEM as possible.
Definitely, and I'm looking for that OEM plus look, and I'm excited to have these all refinished. These have taken a beating for the past few years, even before my ownership, and I was showing the audience that the inner barrel's all fucked up too from someone's BBK. Yeah. But you know, we'll see what we can do about that. Get all the track boogies out, get the stickers replaced, and I think we're gonna go for a silver.
I'm hoping we can beat up the silver and make sure it lasts for another couple of years, even if I'm assuming these are the track wheels, right?
These are the track wheels. They're gonna get ceramic coated right after, and you know, it'll look nice on the car.
Fun fact, these are my actual favorite wheels of all time.
Me too. I was saying that earlier. I prefer these over the T's.
Yep,
all
100%.
day.
C's over T's.
Exactly.
Yeah, you guys can T the world. I'll CE the world.
Exactly. Thanks, Amyn. I appreciate it, bro.
No doubt, man.
Yeah.
Alright y'all, let me show y'all what real wheels
It's
look
locked,
like.
it's locked, it's locked, it's locked, it's locked.
Let me show y'all what real wheels look like.
You got, bro.
Where the fuck is the thing? Oh.
Take three, take three.
Let me show y'all what real wheels look like. These are the, if you didn't know, CE28N
Mm-hmm.
in the finish of,
Well, it still looks like Formula Silver.
look at that. This is what real tires look like, y'all.
Yep.
We not running no R888s, guys.
Oh,
We're
no.
leaving R888s.
In
We left
2016.
it. We left. Yeah, we left it, bro. Damn. All right, it's time for your B-roll.
There you go.
Wow, these are actually really nice.
Yeah. They're super, super lit. I think the wheel itself is about like,
All right,
14
pull
pounds.
down below, guys. These are the Regis.
all right, so now we're at Jordan's shop. You saw him in the last video. He did a VIP home call, booty
Sir,
call.
with the
With them
freaking
mirrors. So now we're actually today at his real shop over in Staten Island, and we're gonna be getting the CEs ceramic coated, and you know we have also
Yep.
stickers from the motherland of the Philippines.
Right here, OG stickers, guys. We're gonna put these on, and then we're gonna coat the whole wheel.
Yeah, man.
Faces, the face, the barrels, everything. We're gonna dip this whole thing in coating.
Yeah, I
no
mean-
hack jobs here.
Yeah, man, at this point it's probably best because it's freshly powder coated,
Yep.
straight from the shop, and
It's the
you know,
best way to do it when
That's
there's
right.
there's no pittings on it. There's no rock,
no
tar,
brake
whatever the hell.
dust, nothing.
Yeah, this is the
Fresh
spares
face.
you could get.
Yeah.
So, it's gonna bond real good. It's gonna last long for all this track abuse, and then you'll be set, dude.
Yeah, super high quality MRM decals over in the Philippines, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
The motherland.
The motherland. And he verifies first to make sure that these are real wheels, so you don't get this for your reps. So you don't, no teehees,
No way.
no fake shit.
That's really cool. It's like a it's like a two-factor authentication process.
Yeah, man.
That's dope.
he said nothing for your fake wheels.
So what, you gotta send like a picture of your thing?
Yeah, send pictures and everything. He verifies it first
Damn.
before he said, all right, you can purchase them. And you know what? It's actually not that bad because it was only like, I think, $150.
What?
Yeah, dude.
So he makes these, right?
He makes them, so they're like replicas,
Yeah,
but
but
they're
they're
very, very
very
accurate.
good,
Like
yeah.
look at all the characters and shit.
Mhm.
He even could put whatever spec you want. He has all the writing.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Jordan, I'll see you in a
All
few
right.
days. We're gonna probably jump
Yes,
to
sir.
it to
There you go.
when they're done. All right. Cool. And we're back.
Welcome back.
Ooh. Now, I don't think I actually asked you in the last video, but can you explain your company, what you do?
My name's Giordan, and I'm the owner of Jordan's Detailing. We're located in Staten Island, 10314, and we specialize in just paint correction, ceramic coating, PPF. So if you need any of those services, we'll get you taken care of. We do like this simple stuff too, you know, interior details, little mini details here and there, washes, but mainly we do paint correction. This one, for example, we also do PDR. So this one came in here, it got hit, and we just got it taken care of.
I didn't even see it.
Oh, yeah, you can't even see. You're just awaiting pickup now. And the
Nice.
same story for John. We did the ceramic coating in his wheels. We work on a lot of JDM stuff like that. We get a lot of, you name it, JDM seats, the Brit seats, the Recaros.
Ceramic coating the seats.
Yeah,
too.
we do that too, yeah. So it's a very niche community of clients I get, because you know, these kind of wheels, you can't just take it to someone. They're gonna butcher these things. So.
No, I had to go to somebody who knows about
Yeah.
what they're talking
Someone
about.
in the community is what you would want.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you need T's, whatever. We've done it all. So,
Yeah. All right, guys. So you heard it from Jordan himself. Huge thank you for helping me out with the
anytime.
wheels. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
sir, I got you, bro. Anytime.
And now the next thing is to really put these wheels on the car. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Hope the silver is a little bit shade different than the car, but I'm
Are you aiming
stoked.
on like matching silver?
No, I wasn't matching silver, but I'm my goal is to have it like the OEM silver for my wheels.
Yeah.
The CRs are dark silver, and the OEM 08, 09 wheels is like a lighter silver.
Yeah.
And I think this matches pretty close to that.
Yeah.
So
the S2 color range, man, it's a nightmare.
I know.
There's Silverstone, there's Sebring, there's so many.
Mine's chicane, so.
And also it matters too if it's like the early gen AP1 or the late gen AP1. The shade is different.
Yeah. So this is next, man. This is next.
And then hopefully the next clip it just be on.
It'll just be. Let's do it.
Yeah,